projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project title Phishing Detection System using Machine and Deep Learning. Before diving into the execution, let me give you an overview of the project. Phishing is a cybercrime involving fraudulent emails, messages, and websites aiming to steal sensitive information like passwords and credit card details. With the internet's growth, phishing has become sophisticated, making detection tough. It's a top method for hackers to steal money and personal data. According to Intel, 97% of security specialists struggle to distinguish phishing emails from legitimate ones. Traditional methods like email filtering, blacklists, user education, domain, and link analysis struggle to keep up with evolving phishing tactics, often relying on static rules and patterns, leading to false positives and negatives. To overcome these traditional methods, the proposed system combines machine learning and deep learning algorithms, including MLP, multi-layer perceptron, random forest, voting classifier, DNN, deep neural network, CNN, convolutional neural network, and LSTM, long short-term memory, trained on labeled dataset to detect phishing attempts in emails and URLs. Through ensemble techniques and real time monitoring, the system aims to provide accurate and adaptive phishing detection to safeguard sensitive information. In this project, we have integrated Flask for building the web application to deploy our project. Flask enables a user friendly interface for testing suspicious emails or URLs in the phishing detection system with secure authentication and seamless integration with backend models, enhancing usability and security against phishing threats. To implement this project, we need software and hardware requirements. Software requirements of the project are application is Anaconda, primary language is Python, front-end framework is Flask, backend framework is Jupyter Notebook, database is SQLite 3, front-end technologies used in the project are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4. Hardware requirements of the project are operating system of Windows, processor of Wi-Fi and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, hard disk of 25 GB and above. Algorithms used. These are the algorithms built in the project to detect phishing websites. And here, these are the algorithms which are proposed in the base paper by the author, which are MLP, multi-layer perceptron, DNN, deep neural network, CNN, convolutional neural network, and LSTM, long short-term memory. And these are the algorithms which we have proposed to further improve the performance, which are random forest and voting classifier. We have built all these algorithms to compare the performance with different evaluation metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and FN score. And here, the voting classifier performs well, and that is the reason we have deployed it in the front end. Now, let us execute the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder, which contains the project source code files. So here, this is the archive folder. In this folder, we have the data set. Let us open this. So in this project, we have utilized the phishing data set, the feature data. And here, these are the features using IP, long URL, short URL, symbol, redirecting, prefix, suffix, subdomains, HTTPS, domain rang length, favicon, non-standard port, HTTPS domain URL, request URL, anchor URL, links in script tags, server form handler, info email, abnormal URL, website forwarding, status barcast, disable right click using pop-up window, iframe redirection, age of domain, DNS recording, website traffic, page rank, Google index, links pointing to page, status report, and here this is the target variable. So all these key features extracted from URLs or web pages used in phishing detection. including URL structure, security protocols, domain age, and other indicators, with the class parameter denoting phishing or legitimate status. So these features will be trained to identify whether the website is phishing or not. Now close this data set. This is the static folder. This folder consists of files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. This is the templates folder. This folder contains all the HTML pages used in the project. It includes files like index.html, about.html, and more, which represent different pages of the website. This is app.py file. This .py file contains the information related to front-end logic. It includes code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database, and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML templates. This is model file, which contains algorithm information which will be loaded into project code during runtime. This is notebook.ipynb file. This is a Jupyter notebook file which contains a combination of code, graphs, and outputs all in one place. It allows users to write and execute code in individual cells, making it a popular choice for data science. And here, this is the test document in which we have the test cases, the URLs, which we will use during the execution. And this is signup.db file. This file is the database file used to user information. First, we need to copy the path of the code folder from the address bar of the file explorer. So here I'm copying the path. Now open the Anaconda prompt. Use the cd command. Followed by a space, and paste the copied path and hit enter. This command is used to change the current directory to the code folder's path. Compile the app.py file using the command python space app.py. So here I'm typing python space app.py and hit enter. This command will execute the Python script and perform a runtime check for any syntax errors or logical issues. After running the app.py file, the Flask framework will host the application locally at the default address, localhost, which is this, and port, which is this. Now copy this local link provided by the Flask framework. I'm copying the link and paste this copied link into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome and hit enter. The homepage of the project is displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Flask framework. If we are new users, we need to register first. So click on sign up link here. So here we need to enter all these details to register. But I have already registered. So click on sign in. So here we need to enter the username and the password, which are static, and then click on sign in. We have logged in successfully and we are redirected to the prediction page. Now click on Fish Detect link here. So here we need to enter the URL, and after entering the URL, the application will detect whether it is a phishing website or not. So from the test cases, let us first enter the URLs. Let us enter the URL from the test cases. So here, these are the test cases and I want to enter this URL. So select this URL and paste it here and then click on check here. So here we can see this is the URL which we have entered and it is written as website is 78% unsafe to use. So it means it is a phishing website which is not secure to use. Now let us enter some more URLs. Click on Fish Detect from the test cases again. I'm selecting this URL, paste it here, and then click on check here. So here, this is the URL which we have entered, and here we can see Website is 78% unsafe to use. It means it is a phishing website and it is not secure to use. So again, click on Fish Detect. Let us enter some more URLs. Let us enter the URLs from the Google. So this is the so here I'm copying the link of the Amazon and then paste it here and then click on check here. So this is the entered URL and here we can see the result, that is website is 77% safe to use. It means it is a legitimate website and it is secure to use. So if we want to use this website, we can click on still want to continue or continue to use the website. So if I click on continue, we will be redirected to the Amazon page and we can use this website. Now let us enter some more URLs from the Google. Let us enter the URL of Myntra. So here I'm copying the link. Click on Fish Detect and now paste the copied link and then click on check here. So here this is the entered URL and here we can see the result. Website is 78% safe to use. It means it is a secure website and we can use it. It is a legitimate website. So if we want to use this website, we can click on continue or still want to continue because it is safe to use. So let us click on still want to continue. So here we can see we are redirected to the Myntra website and we can use this website. Now close this. Now click on Fish Detect link again. Let us enter some more URLs from the Google. So let us enter the URL of the HDFC Bank and paste it here and then click on check here. So here this is the entered URL and here we can see website is 76% safe to use. So it is a legitimate website and we can use this website because it is secure. So if we want to use this website, we can click on continue or still want to continue and we will be redirected to the website directly. So click on continue and here we are redirected to the website. Now again, click on Fish Detect. Let us enter some more URLs from the test cases. So I'm selecting this URL, paste this here and then click on check here. So this is the entered URL and here we can see website is 60% safe to use. So it is a legitimate website and users can use this website because it is secure. So if we want to use this website, we just need to click on still want to continue or continue and we will be redirected to the website directly. So click on still want to continue. So the site can't be reached. Let us enter some more URLs. Click on Fish Detect. Let us enter one more URL from the test cases. So here I'm selecting this URL. paste it here and then click on check here. So here, this is the entered URL, and here we can see website is 78% unsafe to use. So it is a phishing website which is not secure, and we should not use this website. So if we click on still want to continue or continue, then it will be a problem for the user because it is not a secure website. In this way, just by entering the URLs, we can detect whether it is a phishing website or legitimate website. Only if the website is secure, users can use it. Now click on graph link here. So here, this is the sample outcome graph, which displays the distribution of labels. On the x-axis, we have the labels, and on the y-axis, we have the count. And here, this is the correlation matrix. And here we have the comparison graphs for different evaluation metrics: accuracy, precision, recall, and FN score. On the x-axis, we have the scores for the different evaluation metrics, and on the y-axis, we have the algorithm name. The algorithm which is performing best in all the evaluation metrics will be used for prediction. Now click on sign out link here. So in this project, we have built a system that will detect whether the website is safe to use or not. We have built various machine learning and deep learning algorithms to detect whether it is a phishing website or not. And we have seen that the voting classifier performs well, and that is the reason we have deployed it in the front end. Using a phishing website is risky because it tricks you into sharing personal information like passwords, leading to identity theft and financial loss.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.